here is my model, and I'm going to scoot it back just a little bit so that you can see it. Okay, all right, there we go. Okay, here's my model, and I'm going to show you how to gently squeeze the tubes to make them work. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand, and on the left ventricle, now if you watch, I'm going to squeeze just a little, and then when I let go, you're going to see that water starts flowing. Okay, so I'm actually going to do that again a little bit closer. So a little closer now. I'm going to squeeze. You can actually see water coming out of, there it is. It's coming out right there. It's going, I'm squeezing this left ventricle, and blood's going into the body. Okay, there it is. There's blood going into the body. And then when I let go, look at that. Blood from the lungs is coming in to the ventricle. All right, so there it goes. You can actually see it pouring right there. There it is. It's pouring. All right, and now let's check the right ventricle. The right ventricle, if I squeeze it, blood from the right ventricle is actually going to be coming out of this tube over here. The right ventricle, it's going to be flowing into the lungs. Because remember, the right side of the heart, when it pumps blood into the lungs. All right, and now when I let go, blood from the body is going to be pumped into the right ventricle. So now this would be blood that has already traveled through your body, and it needs to go into the right ventricle, because the right ventricle needs to pump it into the lungs, so that it can get more oxygen. So here we go. Now this blood from the body needs more oxygen, so we're going to go ahead and pump it. There it goes. You can see it's turning red now. It's going into the lungs. Okay? And then when I let go, here comes some more blood from the body into the right ventricle. And then the second part of the circulatory system is, again, the left ventricle. When it pumps, the left ventricle, its purpose is to take that blood, that oxygen-rich blood, and put it into the body. So when I squeeze, look at that. All of that blue oxygen blood goes into the body. And then when I let go, the left ventricle is going to fill up with more blood from the lungs. That way it can go into the body. And that is the circulatory system. Blood from the right